Welcome to our in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the pinnacle of luxury, innovation, and performance. This flagship sedan is designed to redefine excellence on every level. Exterior: the 2025 S-Class boasts an elegant and aerodynamic design, featuring a striking front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines that convey sophistication. The long, graceful body sits on polished alloy wheels, exuding confidence and refinement. A panoramic sunroof and distinctive rear taillights complete the look, making a bold statement on the road. Performance: under the hood, the S-Class offers powerful engine options, including a turbocharged inline-6 and a V8, both delivering seamless acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while the intelligent all-wheel drive provides exceptional handling in all conditions. With enhanced fuel efficiency in a hybrid variant, performance meets sustainability. Interior: step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that blends cutting-edge technology with exquisite craftsmanship. Premium leather seats with massage functions, ambient lighting, and a high-definition OLED display create an atmosphere of comfort and innovation. The spacious interior is adorned with fine wood trims and a Burmester 3D sound system, ensuring an immersive experience for every passenger. Safety features: safety is paramount in the S-Class, with an array of advanced features including active brake assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The car also comes equipped with Mercedes-Benz's latest driver assistance technology, providing semi-autonomous driving capabilities, lane keeping assist, and night vision. Prices: the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class starts at around $110,000, with various trims and packages available to suit your preferences. Optional features like the Executive Line package or AMG enhancements can elevate the price, offering further customization. The 2025 S-Class isn't just a car, it's a statement of luxury and innovation. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride, it delivers an unparalleled experience. Discover the future of driving with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class.